What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the YoraHome Mini Desktop Laser 3-watt. And I've got handfuls of stuff that I've been practicing on and testing on all day. I want to show a couple of them because I'm actually kind of surprised. So for being a little tiny budget $189 laser, this thing kicks ass. I made a couple of cutting boards. Got to give a big shout out to my, well, they're not the reigning Stanley Cup champions, but they're forever my Stanley Cup champions, the Lightning. And I made a couple of other things. These are little anodized aluminum cards. These QR codes are awesome. You can basically automate your life with these. I have a video on QR codes that's a few down, or I'll link it up there or something, but that's neither here nor there. But my overall impressions are, it's a great device. It's very small. I mean, literally, I could pick it up right now. It's engraving something, but I could pick it up with one hand. It weighs nothing. It's only got, 5 buttons on it total. And those are just to jog the little gantry around, and then one button and the center button is to preview everything. So you hit that, and it will just preview the outline of whatever you're going to cut. What else? It's got a working area of 80 millimeters by 80 millimeters. The only negatives that I have on it are, this is a focusing card. If you're not familiar with one of these, this has a adjustable focus. So you basically put whatever you're going to engrave in there, put this card on top of it, and then twist the laser cap. There's like a little focus lens. And it's just like you're taking a magnifying glass and you're just trying to find that perfect focal length so that the spot is the smallest that it can be. So on the black matte card, it will show up as just a very tiny matte dot. And you'll just twist the focus until you make it the smallest that you can make. Overall pluses are $189. Less than my headphones. It's pretty crazy that they've gotten to be that inexpensive. And it's also, it engraves, the detail that it can engrave is better than my $4,800 Omtech right now. So I've got to look at that because there's no way it should be beating that, but it does. It engraves it has a much finer detail. Now my Omtech can cut stuff, this can't, but my overall negatives are going to be, you're stuck with a very basic software called Laser Engraving Machine K4. Very basic. Not going to go into great detail, but it doesn't even have speed. Speed is called carving depth. If you have any questions or you want to talk about any lasers or anything like that, just leave a comment below. If you like what you see, please subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thanks. Have a great day.